Hello, business owners. I'm an owner of a business and I have created this amazing AI agent. So, I need a product to be created. I want a designing of a product. I have some ideas that the product should look like this, should have a target audience like this. I have some idea. But I can't put that idea into one image and actually generate that jewelry that I actually want. I have the theme, I have everything. But here, I don't want to go back to my OpenAI, type in the prompt. I want that in a systematic sheet. I should add the idea details and I should get the image so that I can share this sheet with other people. In this one platform only, there is all the product designs that is generated. But doing this manually is a very time consuming part. Adding the data from OpenAI back to over here in the spreadsheet, generate the image, add the image in the spreadsheet, get the systematic record, and then sharing the spreadsheet, very time consuming. Where else I have created this AI agent that does this work for me automatically. You don't believe me? Let me show you. I have one jewelry idea in my mind that I want the design for. So I will add in the idea right here and show you the entire thing. So this is my idea. Celestial moon ring. Create a rose gold ring inspired by the moon and stars. Include the crystal moon wrapped around a sparkling diamond with tiny star-shaped accents. The ring should have the modern yet timeless luxury appearance. Young professional, celestial and night sky, soft cinematic lighting, close up with micro lens and premium studio photography. So this is my idea right here for the product that I want. I will wait for the AI agent to run the entire process and then you will see automatically how the product image link is updated back in the spreadsheet. So let me wait. And you can see over here automatically the link is updated. If I'll open the ring, you can see the exact same product that I wanted. A celestial theme ring that is generated. I got this product design. If I don't like this design, what you business owners can do is just simply copy it down again and you will see automatically another image for the same idea will be generated and the link is going to be updated back in this spreadsheet. So when another link for the same idea with a different kind of look will be generated, I will show you what is generated over here. Image link is updated. Now if I'm going to open this link, this is another idea. You can see first idea was this, second idea is this. So just like this, you can also generate the product design from the spreadsheet. I took the example of jewelries. If you want, you have your own clothing brand. If you have your own makeup brand, you want the packaging to be decided. Everything added the idea accordingly and the image is going to be generated at this one place in a systematic manner. Now, if you want to see how I have created this AI agent, so you have to stay tuned till the end of this video. So without wasting any more of our time, let's dive into the creation of this setup. So now to create this setup, you need an automation tool to create the AI agent. For the best automation tool, I will tell you to use this software Pabbly Connect. Open a new tab, search for pabbly.com/connect. You will come to their landing page. Now, if you're logging in for the first time, you don't have an account, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every month. Using the 100 tasks, you can test out the features of Pabbly Connect, create the setup right with me. At this point, test it out how it's actually going to work in real time for you. And then if you like using Pabbly Connect, I will suggest you to purchase their yearly or one-time plans because you will get unlimited access to the task. Like whatever the plans offers, you can purchase those plans to get more access of Pabbly Connect's features. Now, there are discounts going on each plans, but if you want additional discounts on top of the existing ones, use my code to get the highest discount possible. Now I'm already a user, I've signed in and I have opened the template for this workflow. If you want to use the same template that I am using, check out the workflow link in the description section below. It's absolutely free to use. Now my trigger is Google Sheets, new or updated spreadsheet row. Copy this URL, open the spreadsheet that you want to connect to Pabbly Connect. Go to extensions, add-ons, get add-ons option. You will come to this window. On which, on the search apps bar, you have to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks and install this application. After installing, go back and refresh the spreadsheet once, and then you will see the option of Pabbly Connect webhooks right here, from which go to the initial setup option. The dialog box of initial setup is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. For the webhook URL field, paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided you, and for the trigger column, you have to enter the last data column where you are entering your data. So I'm entering my last data in this column E, and I want that as soon as the data is added in this column, the entire rows data should be forwarded towards this URL. That is why my trigger column is going to be column E, and then I'm going to click on the submit button. It says setup configured successfully. Now go back. Now what you have to do is go to extensions. One last step is left. Go to Pabbly Connect webhooks and turn on the send on event option, so that whenever you add in the new data of an idea in the spreadsheet, the idea is instantly shared towards this webhook URL. In the trigger, go to the recapture and turn it on. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Google Sheets is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, I will enter another idea in the spreadsheet and check whether automatically my trigger captures the response of the idea that I've entered or not. Okay, so let me add in another idea in the spreadsheet right here. So I've entered the details. Forest dew bracelet. Create a delicate silver bracelet inspired by leaves covered with morning dew. Include leaf-shaped links, small emeralds and tiny diamonds to give a fresh, nature-inspired luxury appearance. Nature lovers is the target audience. Forest and nature. Natural soft lighting with premium studio finish and macro jewelry photography. I've entered the idea. If I'll go back to my spreadsheet, you will see the response is captured. Forest, nature, nature lovers. You will see over here forest dew bracelet. This is the description with the same lighting. So as now the response has been captured over here in the trigger, Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now let's ask an AI to generate the image according to the idea that is captured in the trigger. For the AI, I'm using OpenAI in my business. Okay, so that is why I've added OpenAI Generate Image GPT-1. Okay, now click on this connect option, go to add new connection. We have to provide the token. To have the token, go to the hyperlink directly added in the help section. You will come to the OpenAI API keys page directly. Generate your key from there. Copy the key that you've generated, paste it down in the field and save the connection. I'm going to select the existing connection from before. Now after that, it is asking for the prompt. Now what is this prompt? In OpenAI or ChatGPT, whatever you want, you write the text over here. According to the text, OpenAI will generate the content for you, right? So now we have to enter that text known as prompt in this section, and according to that, the image will be generated. So for the prompt, I have this template that I've created. So if you want the same prompt that I will be using in the video, you have to comment down below prompt and I will share you the image generation prompt. Okay, so let me enter the prompt that I want. So this is the prompt that I have. You are an award-winning luxury jewelry designer and world-class product visualize artist. Your task is to create a completely ordinary, premium quality jewelry design that could belong to an internationally recognized luxury brand. Product details. I have to enter the product name first. For the data of this field, I will map the data. Add a slash. Previous step is going to appear. In the previous step, you will receive the name of the product for which you want to generate the design. So I'll select the data of the name from my previous response, which makes this data clearly mapped. And as now this data is mapped, the data is dynamic. Now whenever a response of a new product design idea will be captured in the previous step, automatically the mapped data is going to be updated accordingly. Okay, now I'm going to map the data of the product description that I've received. I'm going to map the data of the target audience and other details. So I'll show you the final prompt that I have. So I've entered other details, design object. If you want this entire prompt that I'm using in the video, you have to comment down below because it's the perfect prompt to generate the product image. So that is why I'm telling you you have to comment down below because I'm going to share you the entire prompt that I'm using. Okay, now after entering the entire prompt, lastly it says generate one stunning hero jewelry design that looks it belongs to a premium jewelry campaign. Okay, for the model for generating image, I'm using GPT image 1. I want to generate one image, so I'll write number of samples as 1. Size of the image I want it as 1024 into 1024. Moderation should be auto, quality should be high, background auto, and the output format should be in PNG. After entering the details, I'm going to click on this even send test request button, and you will see automatically within few seconds of clicking this button, a file URL is going to be generated by OpenAI, and then we are going to test what is the image generated according to my idea with the help of OpenAI. Okay, so I'm going to wait till I receive the file URL response. It will usually take 5 to 10 seconds for the URL response to arrive, so you might have to wait as well. Okay, so I'm going to wait and let me show you the response which will come. And you can see I've received the response. I've received this file URL. I'm going to copy it from here, open it on a new tab, and you will see automatically according to my requirement the product design image is generated. So as now this image is generated successfully, now what I will do is I will update the link of this image back in my Google Sheets using Google Sheets update cell value. Click on this connect option, add new connection, sign in with Google. Select the account with the help of which you have created your spreadsheet from here, and then it is asking for the access of the account, for which click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and the data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. I have created a spreadsheet in the name of product images, so I'll select the spreadsheet and the sheet and the name of sheet 1 from the drop down. Now for the range, you have to enter the column name and the row index. So which column do I want to update? Column F, because I'm adding the image URLs in the column F. So I'm going to manually type in column F and map the date of the row index that I've received in this previous Google Sheet step. And for the value, I will map the date of the file URL because that is what I want to update. After that, I've received this response, and you will see in the spreadsheet the same link of the same image is going to be updated. Now, this is how you create this amazing AI agent that will generate product designs for you. If you don't like this design, again, I'm going to tell you, simply just paste down the same idea, and as now this AI agent is created, automatically within few seconds, you will see the generated image URL is going to be updated back in the spreadsheet. You see the image link is updated again, and you will see now this is another image that is generated. Okay, so you can see this is the idea that is again generated by OpenAI. So now as this AI agent is updating the links in my Google Sheets, that means the entire setup is now created. If you have any questions or doubts related to the setup, do comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching.